Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. I'm going to wait until few of you hop on, and then let me welcome the new members and talk about myself and also my Sanajan's journey. Um, I have a few things here. I need to cover about the announcements I made earlier and yesterday. Let me write down so I don't miss it. And if you're hopping on, say hi. And how is your week going on for us? My son has a half a day, and yesterday our county decided to go for two things. One was North Carolina going to close down from 10 to 5. That's one thing. So even the bars or anything will not be open at that time. So it's a stay at home order from 10 to 5 in the morning. And the next one is the schools are decided to go back to online till Jan mid, I think. We were anyway the chose to stay online for the rest of the year, but few of it was supposed to open by November 23rd itself, and it got delayed and delayed, and now since the numbers got increased and it moved again back to moved to what's it like online again. So it doesn't make any difference because for us we pretty much stay home and do all stuff. So let me start. Okay. First of all, welcome all the new members to the group. I'm Aarti. I live in North Carolina, Charlotte. So I live all the way down in the East Coast, and I started my Senegen's journey 3 years back. Senegen's products, why I got interested is obviously Lipson's, the smudge proof all day wear. But I started in 2017, but 2017 I also had terrible acne. So when I started, even though I started with Lipson's, I really got attracted towards the skincare when I learnt about it more and more, because we call our skincare 98% natural and 2% science, because here most of the ingredients are either derived from nature, and also there is a purpose behind each ingredient, why it's been added and all. So that's why it helped my skin so much, because I still remember the days when I used to FaceTime with my parents or my in-laws. They'll be like, what did you do to your face? Because it's never nobody's seen my face like that. So they were so worried, and I hadn't have a clue too, because I never had acne before. So I didn't realize how much it left the marks. So that's when I slowly started including one by one, learning about each products and including them. And within a year, I would say it has improved from so much. As I say, even now I do break out, because now with mask and everything we always break out, but it is like a part of your skincare routine where you take care of yourself better. So that's the main thing I love about it, because here I can teach the women to be confident on their own skin. And I was looking at one of my pictures yesterday. I would say I would actually wanted to share here too. You could see how I did when I started. So I have come a long way, whether it's learning about the skincare or learning about the makeup. If I can do, anyone can do. So that is how it is. And most of the makeup or skincare I share here are for everyday routines. Like, there is nothing fancy about it. Good morning, Juhi. Thank you so much for hopping on. I know when I wore it, I was like, I know you are going to talk about it. So I know we both have the same tassel. So it is about how you can include these products, and how easily you can incorporate to take care of yourself better just by 2 minutes spending for yourself. You are not going to be standing in front of the mirror all day, and you are not doing the same. And so The same way, the makeup routines whatever I share are not like professional full on makeups. They are more of everyday mom makeup, 5 minutes quick ready, all those stuff. So they are very very easy to follow. That's how my aim is. So hope you enjoy the products and hope you enjoy the group too. There are tons of information in the group. I have always covered individually, or I have grouped them in a way where you can combine them to see which complement which. And uh, if you never have tried shadow suns and lip suns, they are like all day wear, water resistant. Here I have swatched them too for you to see. So these three are shadow suns colors, and with shadow suns we have three types. We carry glitters, we have shimmers, and we have matte. So the same way, the lip suns we carry frost, we carry shimmers, and we carry matte. And here is our iSense pencil, and we have eyeliner. Oh sorry, this is pencil eyeliner and this is liquid eyeliner. And end of day, everything is smudge resistant. Whatever I'm going to do, my lip suns or my shadow suns, nothing is going to move. So that is the coolest advantage with lip suns or shadow suns or even our iSense. So it is like stays all day. At the same time, our makeup has benefits to it. For example, if you take lip suns, it will act as your sunscreen for your lips. If you take shadow suns, it will act as your it has anti-aging benefits. So the same way, when you have our CCTM or foundation, it's going to have skincare benefits in them, and it will not clog the pores. Like, I mean, you can see any picture of myself back in 2017 or 2018, and you can see how much it has improved, because as we age, our skin will lose the elasticity, firmness, and that's when the fine lines and wrinkles and all start. So what Senegens does is, Senegens has like a magic potion which is called Senaplex Complex, which is in every single product in our skincare line and also in some of our makeup products. What it does is, as we age, our new cell generation, the cycle is going to slow down. We always call, if you see the baby's bottom, baby's bum, how soft and supple is. From that to think about coming back all the way to 50s or 60s, you will slowly start reducing the collagen and getting new cells. That's when there is no more plumpier skin cells. So what Senaplex Complex is going to do is, it's going to boost those cells and make it plumpier by itself. So that's when you are going to have that elasticity back, and it is a proprietary kinetic enzyme only available to Senegens. Nowhere else in the market, no one can use it. It's only for Senegens. So that is why the skincare makes a huge difference when compared to others. The same way, each ingredient, some of them are really active and potent. So for example, vitamin C, we have it in Senaserum C. This is one of our top seller, because there are only 2 companies in the entire world that has activated vitamin C in your when it delivers, because FDA regulates only when it is active in when it is manufactured. They never regulate when it is available to the consumer when it arrives. So any product that is available in the market that says vitamin C in them, they are available only when it is when it is manufactured, but it's not available when it is delivered to you. That is why when you use these kind of activated product, it is going to show a huge improvement in your skincare routine. Oh, I'm sorry. I think there was a slight delay. I don't know why, but I hope it got reconnected. So that's how what is it, like each product is really unique and works the best, and I always customize based on your needs. It's not that everybody is going to use every single product, unless it's me who is crazy about every product. So I use every single one in my in our line, because I always feel I should be a product of the product. That way, if I'm saying something, I should first wear it and I should show how it works. That way the customer can benefit to it, and I can understand how it works on the skin tone too. So that's the one. And for this month, the men's products are already on sale for 15% if you haven't grabbed for your loved ones, and that's still going on. What else I need to cover? The FedEx should be arriving today, so whoever I have to ship, it will be shipping today or tomorrow, mostly based on the arrival time, if it arrives, because previously it used to arrive by 8 o'clock itself in the morning. That way I can ship it the same day, but if it arrives later than the post office time, then I have to. I know the post office working overtime. They are working on Sundays too, poor things, but I know there is like so many packages. We all been getting packages every single day after Thanksgiving. So I think till holidays over, that is how it's going to be. So please bear with me. And the lip balm, if you are a Kiss and Tell member and if you are ordering for more than $100, the lip balm promo is also still on the whole month. So it's going to be a free lip balm with any $100 over purchase in the website. And today and tomorrow I'm going to posting about all the holiday sets, because I know there are like tons of products, so you will be thinking on how to group. So there will be post about what are the new ones, what are the best selling ones, all those stuff. So look for those posts and always ping me if you need any swatch. So I always have most of the shades in hand, that way I can show you in bottle. For example, if you are confused between choosing between two Shadow Sense colors and you want to see next to each other whether how it looks on the tube or how I can swatch them, all those stuff I can always show to you. And you can always try it in our Sanalook app. If you haven't tried any shades, you can try it. It's anytime, I will say, it will be 60 to 70% accurate, because see, with Lip Sense or even Shadow Sense, they are work based on your pH level, also on your skin tone level. So recreating it in a visual app is a little difficult, but it gives an idea on the color names at least to see what group it is. So for example, if you are looking for a pigmented gloss, then you can just try it on to see how it is, but once you apply, then only it shows up. And also assume it like this: here you have the ability of using even more than one layer to show the shade more, whereas in the app you cannot do all those stuff. So there will be a little different. That's why I say I always can show the tubes, because if you see these colors and all, they are really closer to each other, and there is a little shade difference. So making it little different in the app will be tough. So you can always reach out to me if you know the color names. I can always share pictures on different skin tones, or I can swatch them in hand next to the color you want to see. That way, if it is closer, if it has shimmer, all those stuff you can see. And what else I wanted to cover? So as I said, welcome to the new members. Enjoy the group. It's a group of all, there are many businesswomen here, so they all know how hard it is to run a group and just cheer each other and keep it positive. That is the end of the aim of the group. It is nothing to pull anybody down or talking anything negative. The group is just to cheer each other, support each other, and if you cannot say anything positive, just don't say it. That's all. So anyway, the posts are always get approved by me, but let's work together to yes, these three are Shadow Sense colors. Yes, these three are shadows and these three are Lip Sense colors, Juhi. So which one you are asking? This is a Shadow Sense, whereas this is a shimmer Lip Sense color. This is burgundy, I think. I did burgundy. Did I have burgundy here? No, I have French roast. I thought I bought burgundy. I think it's burgundy. This one is a burgundy Shadow Sense. Yeah, this is let me think about it. Yeah, Tropical Orchid Glitter. This one is Bandana Shimmer, and this one is yes, that's burgundy. Burgundy is the one I did. Here it's violet because it's a Frost Lip Sense. This is Star Garnet Lip Sense, and this is Blue Red. And here I had Starry Sky, the black eyeliner, and here I had black eye pencil. So that's the one I did. So even after the whole day you can do whatever. Yes, Juhi, I think there should be one or two, what is it, like looks I did with burgundy. I can share you the pictures. It should be there in the group. If you search burgundy itself, it should pop up. I thought I brought it downstairs, but I don't have it in here, I think. But I can always send you a swatch. I thought I brought burgundy, but I think I brought French roast. So I will send you the pictures of that. Yeah, I will send it. It's there. I think it came as a collection, so it will be there in my first impression video where I did with the look, and even Navratri look. I think I did burgundy in few days. So, and burgundy you can wear as your lip color too. So that's another one. So that's all, and have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much who has hopped on, and see you all soon. Have a wonderful day.